welcome to Instacart Holdings, your worldwide instrument partner. We have got a particle counter. This is a handheld particle counter which is from SEM. The model number being DT9881. Now this particle counter finely suits itself in applications like clean rooms, hospitals, IVF labs, cosmetics, aerospace industries and semiconductor industries. Now if you see this particle counter, it has been made well with an anti-slip rubber, which means that it holds in the hand very well. This has also got a big 2.8 inches TFT screen with a 322 240 pixels, and you can also take images and video in 3GP format through this camera, which is placed at the back. This is a tripod which I have just attached and demonstrated how it stands basically on the table. This has also got a micro SD card which can be used up to 8 GB to capture the videos or the images. It can measure up to 6 channels simultaneously, which means that from channel 0.3, 0.5, 1, 2.5, 5 and 10 microns. It has got an SCHO and CO detector extra than the similar model which is 9880. You can see the features and the specification of this 9880 in different video link. Now please remember that if you have to insert the micro SD card, you have to use this slot just behind the battery, and then the battery is placed just like this. At the side you get this charging slot and DC 9 volts input. This is a sensing element. The sensors basically for the SCHO, CO and the particle counter. Along with this you also get a cable, a mini USB cable, adapter, and a calibration kit with an O-ring set. Now coming to the concentration range, it is between 0 to 2000 microgram per meter cube, and the display resolution is 1 microgram per meter cube. The flow rate for this is 2.8 liters per minute, which is 0.1 cubic feet, and the counting efficiency is 50% at the rate of 0.3 micro. It has also got an SCHO measurement which is between 0.01 to 5 ppm and an accuracy of plus or minus 5%. The CO also measures between 10 to 1000 ppm with a resolution of 1 ppm and an accuracy of plus or minus 5%. The air temperature range is between 0 to 50 degrees and relative humidity is 0 to 100% RH. So this is very much suitable for conditions where the clean rooms ISO 7 or 8 and 7 and above basically. So it is very much suitable for clean room class 7 and above. Now according to the US FED standard, it is also compliant, 209E compliant, and it is also compliant to the ISO 14644-1 clean room standards. The front buttons, as you can see, to toggle between the particle, SCHO and CO. Also you can see the particle counts. These are the buttons basically to toggle between. You can run or stop. Once you run, the pump starts as you can feel the sound. And in the run mode you can see that the 6 channel particle counts are being shown. This is also taking a video as of now, just in case you require to send it to your compliance team. It also it is also provided with a hard carrying case, as you can see from SEM, and instruction manual is provided and a calibration certificate in fact. For more information on particle counters, handheld or online, and with better accuracy, you can always reach our experts at instrucart.com for buying suggestions. Thanks for watching.